Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Boss's Crypto. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to participate in this airdrop called SuiSwap. Okay, but before I proceed, I would like you guys to do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are yet to be a member of this community by hitting the subscribe button right here and hit the bell notification icon so you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive into the main video proper. So the name of the airdrop is called SuiSwap. Okay, it's a token it's a airdrop that started running last month and it's still up and running till now. So you guys should partake in the airdrop right now before it is over. So I'll be logging into my MetaMask. Though you can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but make sure that you are using you are connected to the Ethereum network. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to let it load. We're waiting for it let MetaMask fully load. Let me pause this video and come back. Now it has opened, as you can see right here, I'm on the Ethereum network. So you can this airdrop, you can only participate in the Ethereum network. So what you just need to do is go to the description below this video and copy the link at the bottom of this video, then come to this browser here. If you are using Ethereum, if you are using MetaMask, click on your browser here, and why if you are using the Trust Wallet, just click on the browser. Okay, so once you click on the browser and open, wait for it to open. Let's wait for it to open. As you can see, I currently have 3 pages right here. You can see I currently have 3 pages open, so waiting for it to open. Okay, wait for it to open. So once it's open, this is how the interface will look like. So all you need to do is, if you are signing up for the first time, just click on this. You see a button here that is displaying connect. Just click on it to connect your wallet to it. Once you connect your wallet to it, just follow the connecting your wallet and you will be brought to the dashboard here. Okay, after connecting your wallet, you'll be brought to the dashboard. So once you come to the dashboard there, you'll be seeing the tasks you'll be completing. Okay, so once you scroll down here, you'll be seeing all the tasks you complete. All you just need to do is click each of these boxes to interact with this box and complete the tasks. But one of the tasks I want to draw your attention to is the quiz you'll be participating. Okay, let's scroll down. So here is the quiz. What is SuiSwap? When you click on it, once you answer this question, you will earn 50x. The next question 100x, so just like that. But don't worry about the quiz, the answer to the quiz. All of the answers are provided in our Telegram. Okay, just click the third link in the description below. It will take you to our Telegram where you will see all the answers to this question. All right, so once you've answered all the questions, then you can now complete the other tasks where you have to follow them on their Twitter page and complete other micro tasks. Okay, so these are all the questions. Okay, these are all the questions. This is where you end. So you identify them by the color of the boxes. As you can see, these Twitter tags are the color is different. All you just need to do is click on it and interact with the box. It will take you to their Twitter page. You will just complete some few tags just like this one. When you click on it, it will tell you to make an emoji. It says you create an emoji, and this is the tag set. Make an emoji about SuiSwap and post it on Twitter. Try to include a short description of SuiSwap in the tweet. It can be formal or humorous. Don't forget to include at SuiSwap underscore at SuiSwap underscore app and hashtag Su in the tweet. Okay, so it's just a simple task. Okay, just once you are done with it, just copy the URL to your tweet and paste it there, and you claim this reward. Okay, you earn 200 XP. So once as you are claiming each reward, you will see your progress down here. Just click on this button down here. Okay, come in, come in. Just click on this button right here. Okay, once you click on this button, you will see your progress. I don't want to complete any task because I've already completed the task, and this one of the wallet that I used to complete the task is connected to this particular wallet, so that's why I don't want to complete any task. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing. All right. Okay, so another bit about this airdrop is that you earn daily XP when you come here you just come here every day to claim 50 XP. All you just need to do is click on this button here or this box here and claim reward. Okay, just click on it and you claim reward every day. You do this one, and the next one is the second one is the weekly. They have the daily daily claim where you be claiming daily. Yeah, okay, as you can see, this one is the daily and this one is the weekly claim. You just come here every week and claim. Why this one until you get to a level 8 before you can claim, or you can unlock these bonuses. Okay, and this one. All right, so another thing now is you have to refer your friends and family. Once you've completed the task, just come here and just come to this particular place. Just click on this place to get a referral link, then share it with your friends and family. As you refer your friends and family, you'll be earning more XP. As you can see right here, once you refer 5 people, you will earn 250 XP. Okay, and next, if you refer 10 people, you earn 500 XP. If you refer 15, you earn 750 XP, and so on like that. 1000 with 20 friends, and so on like that. Okay, so guys, don't waste time to partake in this airdrop. Okay, you can also join their Discord group, follow them on Twitter, and interact with this app. Okay, come down here also. You can also play their game. You can play their game right here. Once you click on it, you play their game, you earn 500 XP. Okay, come down here, you see, just join the community here and earn more XP. The more you interact with the app, the more you earn more XP. Just try to earn as much as you can. Okay, earn as much as you can before this airdrop is closed, because this airdrop can earn you up to $1,000+ okay, so guys, don't waste time. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so just try as much as possible to participate in this airdrop while it lasts. Okay guys, just come here. It's a simple task. Follow them on their Twitter page, complete the daily activity, follow them on their Discord, comment, follow them on their website, and also interact with with their exchange platform. Okay, just come here and once you click on it, you make a trade and you earn 400 XP. So this airdrop is going to be a massive one, guys. Don't joke with it. All right, till my next video, guys, take action. Don't just watch this video and watch it for watching sake. Take action. Okay, if you don't do anything, you won't earn, but when you do something, you will earn. So just take action. This airdrop won't cost you anything than your time. Just 5-10 minutes, you are through with this airdrop. Okay guys, just take action. Okay, bye for now. Until then, see you in my next video. Before I forget, if you like the content of this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button below this video and share this video with your friends and family, and also smash the bell notification icon so as this will disrupt the YouTube algorithm. Okay, thanks for watching and stay active. Bye for now.